Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about how to grow tomatoes at home. Tomatoes are one of the easiest vegetables, or you can call them fruits, that you can grow in your garden. Even if you have small space, you can grow tomatoes very easily. They grow very well in containers. They're also very easy to grow from seeds. And homegrown tomatoes are always healthier and tastier. Plus, picking tomatoes from your own garden just feels great. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my videos and stay connected. So to grow them, take a slice of tomato from your kitchen. Make sure the tomato is ripe. Take a knife or a spoon and take out the seeds. For better chances, take as many seeds as possible. After that, what you need to do is wash the seeds properly. The seeds are covered with a layer of flesh. Gently remove the layer. It will help the seeds germinate quickly. You can sow the seeds in plain compost, sand, or in plain soil, any medium you like. I am taking compost. I have already watered the compost, so it is moist. Now take the seeds and gently press them down the media. Half-inch deep will be enough. Keep them in a bright area where they received warmth and bright light, and keep the soil moist. After around 7 days, the seeds have germinated. They are still very young. A few weeks later, you can see they have grown a bit and the leaves have appeared. At this stage, you can repot them to a bigger container. Tomato plants need a large container to grow well, so at least take a 10 or 12-inch container to grow them for better results. I have planted them in a plastic bag. They grow in this quite well. You can plant them deep and add more soil on top. They will grow new roots and get stronger. Tomatoes need good quality soil and lots of nutrients. They like moist, well-draining soil. So add lots of good quality compost to your soil. Mix 2 tablespoons of bone meal. Add some neem cake powder to prepare the potting mix. Fertilize them with organic liquid fertilizer like compost tea, banana peel fertilizer, and liquid mustard cake fertilizer weekly. You can also spray them with Epsom salt once in every 15 days. Tomatoes need good watering. Always keep the soil moist. Also make sure not to overwater them. The plants are starting to flower around 1 month later. This is how the flowers look. You can hand pollinate them if you want, but that is not necessary. You can plant some flowering plants near them to attract bees. That will help with the pollination. These plants need good amount of sunlight to grow well. Give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight for better fruiting. Tomatoes need lots of sun to ripe well. Here are the little green tomatoes growing. They look really good. You should give your plants support because they become leggy and fall on the ground. I have put them over my bougainvillea plant as support because I'm a lazy gardener. If you see any pest, spray organic pesticides. That will keep the pest away. When the tomatoes ripe, you can harvest them and enjoy your homegrown tomatoes. So grow tomatoes in your garden. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, post it in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.